Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. Do you have a messy honey jar? Well, I found the perfect solution. These mason jar honey dippers from AIEVE are amazing. I received this 2-pack and I am just so happy with them. We typically buy our honey from the local farmers market, so we always get it in a mason jar. The problem is it's always extremely messy to try to get it out of the jar and to be able to use it. In come these honey dippers, and it solves all of the problems. This set comes in a pack of 2. They're made of stainless steel and they're super easy to wash. You can throw them in your dishwasher or even just wash them with some soap and really warm water to get off all that sticky honey. What I like about these 2 is they also help to preserve your honey and keep it fresh. It has a nice silicone ring right here, and that fits so nice and snug on your mason jar. It helps to keep your honey extremely fresh.
These honey dippers are made specifically for regular mouth mason jars. They fit right inside the metal ring and give your jar a really nice seal. I personally love to use these honey dippers, especially when I want to drizzle a little bit of honey in my coffee or in my tea, or especially on my toast. It really gives just a nice drizzle without all the mess.
If you love honey like I do, but need a less messy way to use it, definitely try these honey dippers from AIEVE. They fit perfectly on your mason jar and you are absolutely gonna love them. That's my point of view.